Honda Rebel 500 Best First Motorcycle for Beginners. The world of motorcycling beckons with promises of freedom, adventure, and a unique connection to the open road. For beginners stepping into this exhilarating realm, the choice of their first motorcycle is a decision that shapes their journey. The Honda Rebel 500, with its blend of accessible power, classic aesthetics, and cruiser comfort, stands as an exceptional choice for novice riders. With its balanced performance, timeless design, and rider-focused features, the Rebel 500 offers a perfect platform for beginners to embrace the world of motorcycling and embark on a journey of self-discovery and exploration. Balanced performance and approachable power. At the heart of the Honda Rebel 500 lies a refined 471cc parallel twin engine that strikes a harmonious balance between power and manageability. This engine delivers a smooth and responsive performance that allows beginners to experience the joy of riding without being overwhelmed. Cruiser comfort and rider ergonomics. The Rebel 500 is thoughtfully designed to prioritize rider comfort, offering a relaxed and approachable riding position characteristic of cruiser motorcycles. The low seat height, mid-mounted foot controls, and wide handlebars create an ergonomic setup that ensures comfort during extended rides. Classic design and timeless aesthetics. The Rebel 500 captures the essence of classic cruiser design with a touch of modernity. Its clean lines, minimalist form, and iconic cruiser styling reflect the timeless aesthetics that cruiser enthusiasts cherish. Novice riders not only experience the joy of riding but also embrace the iconic style that defines the Rebel 500. Smooth handling and rider-friendly maneuverability. The Honda Rebel 500 offers smooth handling and rider-friendly maneuverability, making it well-suited for novice riders. Its lightweight chassis and nimble characteristics contribute to a stable and confident riding experience, whether on city streets or winding roads. Safety features and riding assurance. Safety is paramount, especially for beginners. The Rebel 500 models often come equipped with advanced safety features like optional ABS, anti-lock braking system, enhancing braking control and stability. These features provide novices with an added layer of confidence as they navigate various road conditions. Urban and adventurous riding experience. The Rebel 500's versatility allows it to excel in both urban environments and open roads. Novice riders can seamlessly transition between city commutes and embarking on adventurous rides, all while relishing the comfort and style that the cruiser offers. Community and rider connection. Enthusiasts of the Honda brand form a community that warmly welcomes beginners. Joining this community offers novices access to shared experiences, valuable insights, and connections with fellow riders who share a passion for the Rebel 500's cruiser lifestyle. Skill growth and riding mastery. The Honda Rebel 500 encourages skill development as beginners build confidence. Riders can progressively explore the motorcycle's capabilities, fine-tuning their riding techniques and fully immersing themselves in the cruiser experience. Long-term riding satisfaction. The Honda Rebel 500 isn't just a starting point, it's a lifelong companion for the rider's journey ahead. Its comfort, performance, and brand reputation ensure that riders can continue to enjoy the Rebel 500 as they evolve from novices to seasoned motorcyclists. Conclusion. The Honda Rebel 500 exemplifies Honda's commitment to delivering an accessible and timeless cruiser experience for beginners. With its balanced performance, classic design, and dedication to rider comfort and safety, the Rebel 500 provides an immersive introduction to the world of motorcycling. By choosing a Honda Rebel 500, novice riders embark on a journey characterized by growth, skill enhancement, and the embrace of a community that shares their passion for leisurely rides and the joy of cruising on the open road.